Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to upgrade my Windows 10 ADK to 1903. If I want to deploy Windows 10 1902 or higher, I need to upgrade Windows ADK to the latest versions. So now let's take a look at the current version I have. I'm in Control Panel, go to Programs and Features. Let's type in Windows. It's a Windows Assessment Deployment Kit. So the version I have right now, it is version 10.1.1.15063. This is version 1703. I think it's 1703. Yep. So how to upgrade this, you need to remove it and then install the latest versions. So this is my SCCM server. I'm going to uninstall. Click yes. While it's uninstalling, I can go and download the latest versions. Just type in Windows 10 ADK. I think it's 1903. Click on download. Right here, Windows 10 version 1903. It is downloading. Alright, let me see if I can pause the video and we'll come back when the uninstall completed. Alright, the removal has been completed. Now go ahead and close it out. Now I'm gonna install the new versions. I'm gonna right click and then run as administrator. Click yes. Choose the default folder. Click next. It's fine. Click next. Licensing agreement. Click accept. I need the deployment tools, ICD, configuration designer, user state, and performance toolkits. I'm going to click install. This will take a while. For now, I'm going to pause the video and then return after it's finished. Alright, look like it's finished. I'm going to close this out. Close out my SCCM console. Let's go back to Programs and Features. Type in Windows. Here it is. And the version is 10.1.1.1.18362. So this should be WAIK 1903. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.